It is mind-blowing knowing how effective this natural ingredient is to our hair growth. You might want to try it after watching this video. This natural ingredient can help you grow your hair much faster, and if you're suffering from any scalp issues, this can also help you. Ever since products damaged my hair and I had to do the big chop, this natural ingredient and other natural ingredients have helped me grow my hair much faster, thicker, and much healthier. If you want to know how I use this natural ingredient for hair growth, make sure you're watching this video to the end. Let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So our main ingredient for today's recipe is the black seeds. I would love to hear from you in the comment section below if you have used black seeds in any way. And also I would love to know where you're watching me from. So leave me a lovely comment in the section below. I love to talk to my audience. Alright, before telling you all the benefits of black seeds to hair growth, please show me some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. Alright, let's go into the recipe. I'm going to tell you so much about black seeds later on in the video, but let's move on to our next ingredient, which is the extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is really great for natural hair. It can help prevent dandruff. It is lightweight, so it can be easily absorbed into the hair strands. It can promote hair growth and also provide some shine and silk to your hair. I'm going to add my olive oil to my black seeds like so. There are so many ways that you can prepare this recipe. You can either leave the black seeds in the oil like so for about 3 days and your oil will be ready. Or you can follow what I'm going to do. I love this method. Just grind your black seeds. You can use your blender or any means that you have. I decided to go the local way because my blender is too big and will not handle the black seeds. Another way to grind this is to do it whilst it's still dry. You do not have to add the oil, just grind the black seeds with your blender. Then after that, you can add your oil. So after grinding everything like so, I'm going to transfer it into a mason jar. You need something that can stand heat because we're going to put this in a pot of boiling water. I'm still going to add some more olive oil because I need a little bit more of the oil. There is no measurement to this. It's all natural ingredients, so just add as much as you want depending on the quantity that you want to make or the volume of your hair. So at this point, I'm going to put the mixture in a pot of boiling water and allow it to sit in the water till the oil is warm to touch. I'm going to stir it every now and then to make sure the black seeds does not stick under the mason jar. I took it out of the water after about 20 minutes. And at this point, I'm going to strain my oil. And hey guys, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these for hair growth, you will be notified. On this channel, I do a lot of DIYs for hair growth using natural ingredients. So make sure to join us. So as you can see, there is still some particles of the black seed in the oil, and you do not want that in your hair. So I'm going to strain it a second time. Make sure you use something with tiny holes. You can use cheesecloths, wig cap, or your stockings. After getting the oil out, I'm going to add my lavender oil. Lavender oil has so many great benefits to hair growth. It can strengthen your hair strands and also it adds some amazing fragrance to the oil. I'm going to give it a stir, and at this point, I'm going to transfer it into my applicator bottle to make application much easier. One thing I like about black seeds is, aside its many benefits to natural hair growth and the fact that it's a natural ingredient, it is easy to find. You can find this at your local grocery store or your local market. You can also find it on Amazon. I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the description box so you can purchase it from Amazon. Black seeds have been used in many traditional medicines. Let me show you one way that I use black seed oil to grow my hair. Okay, so before using the black seed oil, I make sure to shampoo my hair. Each time you're using any good treatment on your hair, make sure your scalp is all clean so your hair and your scalp can easily absorb the good treatment. You can use this oil as a leave-in. You can mix it with your leave-in conditioner, use it in your hair. But today, I'm going to use it as a hot oil treatment. So I warm the oil up a little bit, then I'm going to use it on my hair as a hot oil treatment. I just divided my hair into little sections. Always make sure you work in sections. This will help every part of your hair to absorb some of this good treatment. After applying the oil in my hair, I make sure to massage it into my scalp and also into my hair strands. Then after that, I put that section into a twist to return all the oil. Black seeds has omega-3 and it's really great for hair growth. It can prevent dandruff when you rub it on your scalp, and also it can promote hair growth. You all know new hair always grows from the scalp, so any treatment that treats the scalp is really great for the hair. Hair breakages always start when your hair is dry. And when your hair is dry and your hair also starts to break, then you start balding. You can also experience split ends, hair fall, or any hair damages. And that is what this treatment helps. It's going to help strengthen your hair and keep your hair really moisturized. It's going to treat your scalp and prevent any hair breakages, hair fall, and in return will help you grow your hair much thicker, longer, and more fuller. Try to do this treatment at least once a week and be consistent with it for good result. After applying all the oil, you have to go in with a rubber cap like so and leave it on for an hour. And after an hour, you're just going to wash your hair with a mild shampoo and go ahead to condition your hair. This is my hair all washed and it looks all soft and beautiful. There is no products in my hair, but look at how it's looking. I just love this treatment. Let me hear from you in the comment section below. See you on my next video. Bye.